In America, many families work full-time jobs, yet never escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe, because this story might change the way you look at money forever. The trap begins with spending before saving. Most people spend first, and hope to save what's left. And when an emergency hits, there's no safety net. Credit cards make it worse. Debt feels invisible, until interest crushes you. Banks love it. Because debt keeps poor people trapped, forever paying, never owning. Another trap? Lifestyle inflation. Every time income rises, expenses rise even faster. It feels like progress, but it's just a cycle of more spending. People often avoid talking about money, but silence keeps them stuck. Meanwhile, wealthy people treat money like a tool, studying it, investing it, making it grow. The first mindset shift. Pay yourself first. Save before you spend. Next, I built an emergency fund. No more panic over small problems. Then came investing. Because money sitting still loses value. At first, I was scared. What if I lost it all? Soon, I learned that money grows faster when it works for you. Another key? Avoiding bad debt, and only borrowing for assets, not liabilities. Poor people see money as something to spend. Rich people see money as soldiers, working for them. Breaking the cycle takes time. But every small step creates freedom. I realized, being poor isn't just about income. It's about habits. Most poor people stay poor because they repeat the same money mistakes, year after year. Escaping poverty isn't about luck, it's about choices. And over time, those small choices became big results. The trap is real, but so is the escape. Remember, save first. Invest early. Avoid debt. Break the cycle. If this story inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share it, because financial freedom starts with knowledge.